CBI today finds irregularities in respect of only 360 candidates, not untrained. They are all trained candidates for which 32,000 people will lose their job.
Then why it will be in the hand of Esbas?
No, they are only doing the printing job.
No, please read the para.
Yes.
This channel does not promote or encourage any harmful or illegal activities. All contents provided are strictly for educational and informational purposes only.
Role of S. Basu Rai and Company. But the first document, Milord, on this aspect is, Milord, the resolution of the board of 4th of October 2016.
4th of October 2016. Where
Yes.
did we get it?
Milord, that is not on record. Milord, I need to, Milord, if your lordship permits us, Milord, I may hand up to the court. I'll serve copies on my learned friends. वो पेज नंबर टा একটু দেখে না
Now, what is written there?
Yes. Milord, if your lord page number টা বল
1. Oh, page number 3.
Milord, it starts from page number 3.
You've given a copy to them.
Yes, yes.
Page number 3.
Yes, page number 3, the minutes start. At the top, your lordships find, Milord, proceedings of the annual general meeting of the ad hoc committee of the board at so and so on 4th of October 2016. Now, if your lordships may kindly take, Milord, কথাটা বল এটা
Yes.
But your lordships may kindly take page number 6. But amongst others, this is being resolved. But in the middle of that page, below, there is a paragraph starting with, it is also submitted.
Yes.
It is also submitted that after the publication of TET 2014, result on 14/9/2016, the confidential processor, Milord S. Basura is a confidential processor, had been requested to do the following jobs. 1. Arrangement for online application for about 1,25,000 TET qualified candidates and collection of fees thereof. On receiving the online application arrangement made for preparation of district-wise list for scrutiny stroke verification and viva voce stroke interview and aptitude test along with attendance sheets and dispatch of the same to the board. 3. Arrangements to take up scrutiny verification of testimonials and viva voce sheets for necessary entry against candidates forwarded by the district and the preparation of panels as per rule. The confidential processor submitted rates for each stage of work in the following manner, where the stages are there and the rates are there. Then the matter is discussed in details in the meeting and the board approves the rate in as under in slight modification of the quoted rates. So therefore, my lord, the board had resolved to, my lord, confer upon the confidential processor these job. But these are, my lord, primarily, my lord, clerical jobs and has got nothing to do with, my lord, judging the merits of the candidate during the interview or viva voce, aptitude test or lecture demonstration.
Yes.
Is Basura কথা কম? Now, my lord, Mr. Bhattacharjee,
Mr. Dotto,
I'm
just-
sorry, sir. Yes,
there were 1,25,000 applicants
right,
who,
right.
who filed. All those are TET passed.
Okay, yes, yes, all TET qualified.
Now, how many did participate in the interview? Do you have that?
We are around 1,19,000 plus.
In interview and viva about 1 lakh?
19,000 plus, a bit less than 1,20,000.
Odd. And how many trained candidates were appointed?
11,000.
Around 11,000.
11,500 something.
Trained was 11,000. And the untrained was?
42,080.
No, no.
32,089.
32,000.
More or less, approximately 32,000.
All three figures are approximate.
Approximate.
32,089.
No, 32,000 as a roundabout. Roundabout 32,000.
31,800 and something.
Pardon?
31,800 and something. So more or less 32,000.
So he has given a bit more.
Yes.
Mm.
Now, this one thing is this, another before you proceed.
Yes, sir.
Now, under the rules, the provision which provides for marks in the interview and
My dear Lordships, may kindly take Rule 7 and 8.
Rule 8. No, our query was training as specified by NCT, that is not coming within it. Teacher eligibility is
Page
5
115.
marks. So
Yes.
these 5 marks is given on the basis of marks obtained percentage wise.
Okay.
Yes.
Weightage.
So this is given percentage. And extracurricular fixed.
Fixed.
And in viva voce interview, you give percentage.
No.
No, because an argument was made that in respect of those para teachers, you have given in fraction.
Yes.
But
Because-
he showed us the table saying that there is no scope for issuance of such fractional marks in para teachers. So I am asking this question.
Page 115.
So in teacher eligibility percentage, extracurricular activities fixed. Viva voce is as per marks, aptitude as per marks.
Right.
And this is kind, Mr. Dotto, if you take for earmark vacancies on the bottom of note 5,
Yes,
it
sir.
specifies 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Five.
So there is no further distribution.
No.
Oh, very good. Very good. You may proceed now.
Yes, now, my lord, Mr. Bhattacharjee has handed up to the court an affidavit filed by S. Basu
S. Basu, S. Basu.
in a separate proceeding, in another
Yeah,
proceeding. Kindly have a look. to
part
that.
of which was in the spiral document.
Yes, maybe.
এবার ওই evidence
But I would request your lordships to have a look to only 2 pages.
একটু দেখো ওই the paper book or
No, it was separately handed up.
হ্যাঁ জানি yes, which paragraphs you are showing? Take
19 and 20. 19, 20, from 19 to 23.
23.
Yes.
Do you have a spare copy in your hand just now? Do you have a spare copy?
Dena.
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আছে
আচ্ছা।
no, that is with us. Oh, everything.
19টা
Yes,
খুলে
what-
দিয়েছি? Yes.
Paragraph-
Para 19, I state that
Hmm.
West Bengal Board of so-and-so directed S. Basu Rai and company
Yes,
to
yes.
provide a scrutiny verification list as per the district wise, and the same was submitted to the West Bengal Board of Primary Education along with attendance sheets of candidates. The scrutiny verification list has provisions for writing of viva voce
এই তো।
marks aptitude test marks and extracurricular marks by the scrutinizer. This is very important. Along with the remarks, if any, against each candidate. Therefore, my lord, the marks was awarded by the scrutinizers or the interviewers, not by S. Basu.
Then why it will be in the hand of S. Basu?
No, my lord, they are only, my lord, doing the printing job.
Now, please read the para.
Yes,
I
yes.
state the board, primary board directed Basu to provide a scrutiny.
Yes,
Verification is as per district wise.
yes, yes.
And the same was submitted along with attendance sheet of the candidates.
Right.
Now these attendance sheets and everything were being arranged by S. Basu.
Only the printing part. The format.
Yes.
Now, my lord,
Scrutiny was not in his hands.
no, certainly not. But all documents, my lord, I have brought, my lord, one district complete documents to demonstrate before the court that everything was done in order.
Achha, next, any other 20?
Well, Well, from 19 to 23, your lordships may read for your lordship, but I don't think that
Yes.
there's much to dilate on this. Then, my lord, I'll go to, my lord, the CBI charge sheet.
No, I have one question.
Yes,
for
my
you.
lord.
Mr. Bhattacharya placed reliance upon this. This communication. Potential processor. There were a bunch of letters annexed to the spiral binding.
First,
Page
130 onwards.
Uh-huh.
130 onwards.
Paper book first all.
This
Related to confidential section, right? 130 onwards.
Starts with 130.
on
130.
yes.
Actually, 126, 126. 126 onwards. 127 onwards. 130 is the letter to the confidential section. 14 September 16.
This page 130, Mr. Dotto.
My lord, this is the appointment letter. Kindly see, have a look to the contents of this letter. My lord, this is being addressed to the confidential processor because this is how, my lord, they describe them.
No, he placed clause B.
Yes, yes. After receiving the online applications, arrangements are to be made for printing of list. Printing of lists for scrutiny, stroke verification, and viva voce interview and aptitude test sheets, along with attendance sheets of the candidates and dispatch of the same to the board.
But there was no rule to that effect,
No.
which provides in that the rule 7
See.
and 6
Yes,
arrangement.
the arrangement are to be made to take up scrutiny verification of the testimonials and viva voce sheets, not the testimonials. For necessary entry.
Next clause C is clear.
First, what are the sheets meant for? For necessary entries against each candidate forwarded by the districts and preparation of panels as per rule. But there was no assessment by S. Basura and Company.
Next clause.
Yes.
Therefore, my lord, it is only that they are going to prepare the sheets. My lord, incorporation of marks and everything would be done by the appropriate authorities.
No, this instruction which we are giving to the confidential processor,
Yes.
to that effect, did you frame any guideline as provided under the rules?
My lord,
Come back to Rule 7.
yes, kindly comes to my lord, Rule 7.
Yes.
I'm sorry, 4,
Four.
5E.
Eh. Please explain us that, because
Yes, yes.
that has been a you are powered to engage is 4-5C.
Yes, 4, 5C.
Now this 5 says, with prior approval, state board shall have the following to lay down the modalities, procedure and or guidelines.
Yes.
So to this effect, was there any modality?
Yes.
Any such modality was
The
framed?
modalities where I would respectfully submit was, my lord, the resolution of 4th of October 2016.
But that was without approval of the state, subject to prior
Yes.
approval of government.
My lord, may I say this, my lord? What is the case?
No, we want to know your answer. You said that this preparation of modalities is the 6th October letter which you showed us.
4th October.
Sorry, 4th October.
The board, a statutory body, is deciding to do this.
But Mr. Dotto, have you found any direction from the state to that effect, that all right, you are taking these steps, we are approving that? Because that was one of their arguments.
But I'll place, my lord, from the bunch that I've handed up, I'll show in respect of one district.
I may forget, that is why I'm putting it to you, because Mr. Bhattacharya has more than once relied upon this provision.
My lord, please read, my lord, this resolution of 4th of October,
That
read
you have
with page 130 of the first volume of the paper book. It is clear that, my lord,
130 is what?
the one, my lord, which my lord was
Rule,
pleased to
rule.
refer. Yes.
The rule. Achha.
Yes.
Later.
Letter.
No, all right. This argument you have made, that this is only purely for administrative work, nothing to do
Nothing.
with the scrutiny.
Only clerical. He's a printer, basically. But I'll show, my lord, after, my lord, so much investigation, because with the
Yes.
petitioners and all, they have reposed to so much faith on CBI. Now, on this aspect, what is the CBI's finding, which your lordships want us to address before your lordship, that it did S. Basurai in any way tinker with the assessment of the candidates or participate in assessing the merits of the candidate? On that, my lord, kindly have a look to, my lord, the CBI charge sheet. My lord, kindly take, my lord, the bail application.
No, Mr. Dotto, we need not go.
Just one paragraph, only to dispel doubt. Because these are not what Mr. Bhattacharya has referred. Just to dispel with any doubts from the mind of the court.
চার্জশিটের ওটা কি আমার কাছে?
So it was a bail application, my lord, which was.
ওকে বলো না, ওই ওকে ডাকো, আমি বলে দিচ্ছি, সুব্রতকে ডাক, আমার সাথে ছিল।
70.
Page number 70.
Just a 4-line paragraph.
Yes.
Where in the middle of the page below, a paragraph starting with during further investigation.
Hmm. Yes.
The role of the confidential processor firm, namely so-and-so, was looked into. Who was awarded the work of designing, printing and supply of OMR sheets and also processing the same for preparation of panels.
This is second charge sheet or third charge sheet?
This is, I think this is,
I think second charge sheet.
First supplementary.
Recently,
first,
Supplementary.
This is first.
First supplementary. First charge sheet, then first supplementary. This is the first supplementary.
initial charge sheet and then Millard, this is second in the point of time.
Yes.
Therefore, Millard, my respectful submission is, Millard, from all these documents, Millard, it is evident that even after investigation, a full-fledged investigation which went on for months, Millard, the finding of Millard, the prima facie conclusion of the CBI is that, Millard, S. Basurai was awarded the job of designing, printing and supply.
Yes.
The bunchটা আমায় দে এবার আমার bunchটা দে Now, Millard, I'll show from papers also. Let us not depend upon CBI only or my resolution only for the purpose of demonstrating before the court as to what S. Basurai had actually done. Millard, please take that, Millard, bunch that I have handed up today. Millard, we have, Millard, given your lordship, Millard, only one district.
Page 3 you showed us.
Yes, I have shown, Millard, page 3. Page 1 is where the appointment notification, your lordships may skip that over. Then page 3, that resolution where I have placed before my lords.
This is the 26th. This is the notification.
Notification, the employment notification.
Which other page you are showing?
Yes, now kindly take, Millard, page 12 onwards.
Our onwards, what do they go?
The 4th of October, Millard, was the resolution that I placed before my lords. Now please take page number 12.
Yes.
The Commissioner of School Education is writing to the District Inspector of School of all districts.
Yes.
In inviting a reference to the above, she is requested to constitute subcommittees with the officials under his or her supervision for scrutinizing the testimonials of TET 14 qualified candidates under his or her jurisdiction. Who will do those? DI of the concerned district, all AIs of the concerned district, all SIs of the concerned district, all staff of the Office of the District Inspector of Schools, and district primary school councils include. But I have it. If your lordship permits me, I can hand up. Because when Mr.
You just give us the Xerox of that page. Give a copy to them and give it. Oh, this is a chart sheet. You need not give. You give us a
certified
copy.
copy.
No, this is a final chart sheet. Which page you said?
Where it is para 29 at page 36. Just look at, have a look to only one paragraph.
36. দাও একটু। You read now, Mr. Dotto, you read.
Thus, it has emerged that recommendation letters in favor of 96 candidates
Recommendation by whom?
were the so-called recommendation by us, who failed to qualify TET 14, and 264 undeserving candidates, that is the mark dispute, who had managed to qualify after award of 1 mark, had been generated by the WBBP. Such recommendation letters form the basis of appointment of all these unqualified, undeserving 360 candidates. Within brackets 96 plus 264. It has emerged that these recommendation letters issued by the WBBP has been sent to the respective primary district school councils, on the basis of which DPSCs had issued appointment letters
Yes.
to the 360 undeserving.
Please give us a Xerox copy of that page.
Only that page.
That will suffice. You are not placing any other page from there.
No, my lord, I
Acha, you give the copy now.
but I want to place, my lord.
Final charge sheet.
But this is the final result. And therefore, please consider one thing, my lord, now. Corruption, corruption, corruption. Let it go to the CBI, goes to the CBI. CBI today finds irregularities in respect of only 360 candidates, not untrained. They are all trained candidates, for which 32,000 people will lose their job. So this would be the final result.
All right.
But only I have left with one point, that is Mr. Sabir Ahmed's analysis.
Mr. Shabir.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Yes. Those who were appointed having got less marks.
Board ছিল, অনেকগুলো ছিল।
ওটা আমাদের কাছে আছে তো।
আলমগীর ছিল।
In 3 to 4 applications,
Yes, ma'am.
this allegation was there of rank jumping.
Yes, yes. First is, my lord, may I tell your lordship one thing, my lord? Mr. Sabir Ahmed has tried to, my lord, supplement something which is not in the original cause of action, corruption. This cannot be a corruption. Even then, my lord, I'll deal with each of them.
No, no. If suppose there is a rank jumping explicit,
Yes.
what should be the process to be undertaken?
My lord,
They
it
will say that it is also an irregularity. They
has to be undone.
that they can get the relief in the writ petitions which they have
But
raised.
I am told, my lord, some of them has filed writ petition.
And already some have got the benefit.
No one.
But I'm told only one has got the benefit.
Ajmer Haq, the order cited by Mr. Ahmed, but only one.
Yes.
My lord,
Yes,
so-
then what is your argument to that?
my lord, first is, my lord, I have been told that your lordships had allowed Mr. Sabir Ahmed to make submissions or make this analysis on the presumption that this is in respect of only one subject, that is Bengali. This I am told, my lord. Again, my lord, I do not know whether, my lord, my information
That is
correct.
his statement in the application. Only in respect of Bengal.
My lord, the chart or the instances which my learned friend Mr. Sabir Ahmed has given suffers from two discrepancy. Number one, all the examples are not of the same subject.
Subject, medium.
Medium.
Yes.
And number two, they don't correspond with the district. Suppose, my lord, I am from, say, Uttar Dinajpur. My lord, I am being compared with somebody from Midnapur and said that I have less mark, I have got appointment, but Midnapur person has not got it.
No, no.
So that comparison cannot be made.
That's not what he said.
Yes, that
Given a chart
yes.
of a particular district, and of that particular district, the candidate he's representing was a.
That is what has been represented to the court.
Correct.
We have done our research and have found that all of them, or rather most of them, I won't say all of them, all of them, my lord, the comparisons are made between persons of different districts.
No, but there's the district code is given.
No. There is a TET district code. My lord, this my lord, for Sabir Ahmed's ওটা বেতন যেটা জজ স্যার
Page 220.
আমি ক্যান ফোর
Can 4, page 220. 160 থেকে 220.
all right. You have
So, Milord, this chart also, Milord, which we have prepared, I'll hand up to the court, where we have made the distinction as against Bengali, there is comparison is made with Santhali. As against Bengali, comparison is made with Hindi. Even Telugu, I find.
Santali.
Urdu. And Milord, different districts. But kindly permit me to hand up one chart with few examples. And the long charts that he has given, everything is Milord, there's complete discrepancy.
একটা
Well,
উদাহরণ দিন, একটা উদাহরণ দাও, একটা উদাহরণ।
Therefore, Milord, what I say is, Milord, these are not comparables. He ought to have shown from the same district, in the same subject, somebody with lesser marks has got appointment.
Mr. Kishore Dotto, learned senior advocate appeared. So only for one madam was appearing. She will say first. She said that she will take 10 minutes from us. Either Mr. Mojumdar, we request you that whatever you are saying in reply, if any other thing is to be said in reply by the other advocates, please you advance it to us so that we can conclude the hearing. And Mr. Dotto, as regards this comparable, not comparable, you are saying, you show us because he has shown us from can.
Yes.
5 minutes discussion.
But Mr. Sanyal can do that.
Lord, may I just assist your lordship? Your lordship kindly come to this chart given by Mr. Sabir Ahmed. Kindly come to page 66.
No,
One of
we
the
are-
examples, she cited 3 out of this. I will take your lordship one by one.
No, that is what you are saying, that if these are not comparable, you want to show us the case.
একটা দেখি তো।
Clarify it to your lordship how?
Yes.
Kindly come to page 66.
We again have to bring out that entire topic, no, that has gone to our chamber. পেয়েছো কি?
এইটাই।
This
এইটা
one.
চারটা না, এটার সাথে দিও একটু আমাকে। এইটা কি বাবা পার্টি? এটা তো সাহেবের কপি। আমারটা কি ইয়েতে আছে? চেম্বারে আছে। Yes, page
Page
6.
66. It
Yes.
starts from page 66.
Hmm.
Your lordship, Jagannath Mishra, the bottom, and just bottom page 66. This was specially mentioned by Mr. Sabir Ahmed.
যা। Page 66.
Bottom, the bottom.
Arindam Mishra.
Jagannath Mishra, page 66.
There is no Jagannath.
This is bottom.
Jagannath Mishra.
Sudev Kanti, Amit Chatterjee, Arindam Mishra.
Exactly. Top, just above that, Jagannath Mishra.
ও আচ্ছা, জগন্নাথ মিশ্র। Yes.
He was telling Jagannath Mishra with these 3. The Jagannath Mishra at the right hand side 14 marks, the other secured lesser marks.
না পেজ
Now,
60 টা দেখা গেছে।
This 17 roll number, this is district code.
Hmm.
And the rest is the roll number. Matlab, 10th roll number was an unique number used in the recruitment process. 10th roll number was the candidate of the roll number. Now, in the application form, option was given to all the candidates. You can choose your district. Suppose I belong to Purulia. I can choose Alipurduar because malab vacancies are different. Purulia 100, Alipurduar 1000. This option was given to the candidates. Now, your lordship, kindly see the next. Sudebna Kanti Banerjee. He also belongs to Purulia. 17. All are 17. These three.
No, we don't follow. What you are saying, Jagannath Mishra secured 14, which is higher than the three candidates who
According
secured?
to them.
Yes, then what
Now
is
your
your
lordship,
explanation?
I tell you, lordship, Jagannath Mishra applied, belongs to Purulia district.
That is
He
17.
applied for Purulia.
That is 17.
17.
Ah.
Now the other three,
They also applied for.
no, they belong to Purulia, but they applied for other districts.
But how will we know that?
I tell you, that's what I'm saying, you know. Sky level Lucas, Sudeb Kanti Banerjee. He was appointed in Uttar Dinajpur.
Where do you find that?
But that's what I'm saying, Mala. My instruction. How?
Appointment letter.
What about page 60?
No, no, how this has been done?
তাহলে page 60 টা
You
কি
will
করে হলো?
keep the appointment letters.
Yeah, no, system.
বলছি বাকি।
At the time of counseling যাবে। তুমি দিনাজপুর বের করো না, দিনাজপুর জেনারেটরতে কম।
So both of them has chosen 17.
No, 17 is the district code number for TET. The same roll number continued for the
Yeah, yeah,
recruitment
17 is the district code.
code, district code. For TET. Only
It is the district code for TET.
TET.
Yes.
Now, this roll number carried in
আরে
the
প্রতীকেরটা
recruitment
কি হবে?
process.
প্রতীক তো 21
Pride
পয়েন্ট পেয়েছে।
identification. Now, in the recruitment process, he had the option to choose particular district. Instead of Purulia also. He can choose Purulia or else district.
So this 17 is the district code for TET,
TET.
which is automatic. You
Auto-
cannot choose.
No,
As you hail from Purulia, you have to be Purulia.
That's it. Then you'll see all the three candidates out of
Then Jagannath Mishra,
Applied for which district?
Purulia.
He's from Purulia,
He
applied.
applied for,
You are saying this Sudeb Kanti and others, somebody will
applied
some
for other districts.
How do we know that?
But that's how I will show the appointment letters.
then what difference does it make? Then
Doesn't
their number will be, should be compared with the persons in the
In
district.
Alipurduar, they are, what district they appoint.
Yeah.
District by- Now I tell your lordships.
What
Uttar
about page
Dinajpur
60?
is the highest vacancy. So he applied, he had the option, he calculated.
Acha, where is that provision for option in the advertisement?
Advertisement,
No, no,
Oh,
please
yes.
give us the number, na?
memo
Provision
number,
for option,
option.
26 September 2016.
Clause, I give you a lordship. এই অপশনটা কোথায় গেল জানো?
প্রতীকটা সে নিচে পুরুলিয়া থেকে কি চাকরি দেখেছো?
না না ওরা তো পিক এন্ড চুজ করছে, ওরা তো পেজ 60 টাও কনসিডার করতে পারে। বলছি মালাটা আমিও বলছি। What about page 60? যার
Very good, you find it out.
426 জন যার পেছনে চাকরি করছে। তাহলে
একটা উদাহরণ দেখি কি করে
24 পরগনা 14 পয়েন্ট, আরেকজন 24 পরগনা What are they saying? Pinky Pal is from 24 Pargona. She has got 18.
না তো আমার যখন আমি করে দিই
Sir, এটা North 24 Pargona.
They have people from other district, Mr. Sannal.
Your lordships,
No, no, TET, you said TET is residences, residence related. TET is residence related, but choice, when I apply for recruitment, when I apply online after successful being test, yeah. Now,
Point.
that at that time I have an option whether I will choose Purulia or will I. That is, as if the vacancies are more in another district, I will choose for it's better.
no, that I read out to your lordship.
So that is like past category option and postgraduate category option.
That's like that. Not here, choice have been given to the candidate, district-wise panel. Now, suppose, Malad, in Purulia district, 100 vacancies. I can assess that I will not get a chance.
Is what you are showing?
That's Malad, the recruitment.
আমার রেকর্ড থেকে আমি যাচ্ছি।
Option.
চটপট করেছে
Option is clause
Clause, I tell you, qualification clause. Three. Now, candidate, your lordship, I just read out to your lordship.
very difficult. So just think about our our problems.
I have submission.
Acha, you check it up and tell us.
My lord, your lordship remembers me that on the last occasion, rising my lord, I mentioned that one submission, your lordship remembered that next day your lordship will incorporate that. My lord, on 29th October, it was recorded by your lordship that Mr. Bhattacharya appeared for can so and so. I said that 2 more cans are required to be incorporated because he also appeared for those cans also.
Oda একটা line লিখে নাও তো,
And
Mr.
my lord, another thing,
Yeah,
your lordship,
let us go one by one.
Just one. The lordship's kindly, I'm handing over for your lordship's notice. Pencil mark, in the rule itself also says that.
Tell us the rule না।
I just hand over,
দাও ওনাকে দাও না, রুলটা দাও ওনাকে, উনি বের করুন। What is rule? What rule?
my lord, 2016 rules as amended,
As amended.
as amended.
এটাই আছে। এটা আছে না। হ্যাঁ, which rule you are saying?
My lord, rule 4, sub rule 6. Now 7. After 6, inserted 7.
Page.
Page, your lordship's 15. This is our, I do not know whether tell you.
Rule 6A7.
আরে বাবা এই তো সবাই চাকরি করছে এরা কোথায় লেটার দিয়ে দিচ্ছি
7 হচ্ছে
কিন্তু দেখো না, যেদিনকে ভট্টাচার্য অ্যাপিয়ার করেছিল ফর হুম বলেছি, ওই আগের অর্ডার শিটটা ওকে একটু দাও তো।
4, 7.
হ্যাঁ, 4
চাকরি করছে
Amended.
Mr. Sannal, you just tell us on that day.
7.
পরের দিন বলে
129.
12 তারিখ বলে দিও না কবে রাখলে
129.
Right.
Yes.
Candidate may be allowed to apply for the post of a primary only against a statewide.
কালকে বলে দিও আজকে রাখো কালকে বলে দিও।
I got tomorrow.
Everybody is excited.
That's your losses. That's why I'm showing the amendment itself.
আরে কালকে বলে দিস
I'm sorry. Page 124.
No, it's better your lordship hears tomorrow on this issue 5 minutes,
No, are hearing.
not me.
No, he will not argue. Show us that. Show us.
Well, your lordship,
Next date only Mr. Mojumdar and his colleagues if they want to.
Mark
come.
4. Well, kindly see rule 4 B.
Rule 4.
B. After sub rule 6, insert the following sub rule. Then 7 inserted. Any candidate shall be allowed.
Rule. 4 rule. Rule 4.
Rule 4.
Amended rule.
Amended rule. Rule
Right.
4. Kindly skip over A. B.
B in sub rule
After
3.
sub rule 6, insert the following sub rule.
সেটা মিলছে না তো।
It's 7.
তো একটা উইকেট
After
Page 124.
124. After sub rule B,
B.
insert the following sub rule. Any
Six, after
candidate
sub
shall
rule
be allowed to
Any candidate shall be allowed to apply for the post of a primary school teacher of a particular council only against the post.
So this was on 23rd. When was the advertisement? 26th.
And this clause was specific.
So amendment was brought about prior
for,
to
but
all the amendments.
all them. All them.
Then how did become a district-wise panel?
yes
If board is the authority, board is to publish the panel,
yes my lord
then how district-wise distribution is there?
Selection process was district-wide.
No, it was board.
What is it?
District-wide.
Every
No.
day
And
is
this
changing
law
chances.
specifically
Millard 8-5.
Every
Millard, kindly have a look to 8-5.
Tomorrow we are concluding the hearing. This much please take note of.
Eight
Tomorrow
five.
we are concluding. Please.
8-5. Rule 8-5.
What you tell now? What you
District wise panel.
Yes, that we have seen. They are arguing. Please explain to us if district-wise panel underwent a change, amendment, that board is with the authority in publishing the panel, then how did you continue with that old process, giving the
Yes.
powers vested upon the respective DPSCs? Your argument was that panel was of the board, but this was given to the respective districts for publication and attachment on the wall of the district
No, it was
DPSC.
never done.
This is your argument.
Yes. Therefore, both prepared it district wise, displayed in the respective DPSCs of.
Whatever.
panel preparation start was
given to the
company.
My lord,
Page number 1. That they are choosing blood one particular candidate, but in the first blood I have also
60.
page 60 Purulia. There are 426 persons.
I explain each of them.
my lord, I will not trouble your
And
lordship,
they
my
have
lord.
secured 21.957. Then then even if I say in Purulia also,
If we do not set aside the selection process, you get that benefit in
Right.
your pending writ petition.
My lord, I will not trouble your
I
lordship.
could
I
find
have,
that 20% who are also
So
working.
you can, your issue is whether why you are being added. On the
Oh,
basis that if you set aside the recruitment process on the basis of this allegation of rank jumping. This is one aspect of it. And the other aspect was you said that I have already taken my point in the writ petition, but this point I am placing it to the court so that this can help in striking down the entire process. So we asked you, your argument is
So that's
My lord, my
my
lord.
point is, blood, because I have portrayed before your lordship that there are many candidates who have secured less mark than me, but in service. I say,
You are not concerned with the well-being.
no,
of
I'm
the-
only.
My lord.
If you get the job,
Fine.
you're happy.
But there are
My lord.
vacancies. There are vacancies because in the charge sheet they have said, CBI has also said there are as many as 1,300 candidates who have been secured job adopting malpractice. So, my lord, those vacancies are there. Kindly accommodate me in
My
that.
lord, this was
Because
my
that's the
what did you say about this
my lord,
panel?
my lord, may I, my lord?
What did you say about this code number? What you are saying? This is which is
My lord, my
pointed
lord.
out by him.
My lord, Leonard, whatever my Leonard friend is saying about the code number, it is correct. It is correct. For example, I am from Kolkata. I am seeing vacancies are there in the district of Murshidabad. I will opt for Murshidabad. That is fact. No doubt in that. In Can 9, I have submitted my notes on argument before your lordship. In my notes on argument, a dedicated paragraph is there on this point. What happened, my lord? I have categorically showed the fraud has been committed upon the reserve category candidates. Why? Reserve category candidates, the person who scored better marks than the general category candidate. I have given example, I have given proof in Can 9 and page has been mentioned in my notes on argument. That a fraud has been committed, for that they have not got the job. If the proper selection process was done, if rule 8.5 was followed, we would have get appointment. My point is very simple, my lord. About cancellation, about the particular order, our demand is very simple. All more than 5,000 persons are there, they want their jobs.
What correction you are wanting?
My lord,
Well,
the 29th October order.
make it so tedious for us. You were with Mr. Ottaji, your junior was there. He did not hand over the application number.
there are many.
How you make it to you stretch to the maximum that we will trouble the court in this fashion? Are you in this matter? Can 2 and Can 3. He appeared in Can 2 and
No,
Can
my
3.
lord,
I am for the Can 2. I am for the.
You are for
Can 44, Can 47 and Can 76.
in this also he appeared.
Yes, that is why
It's poor enough.
You are in which Can?
My lord, in
No,
those
no, no.
And pen written, I have given in all those matters.
But you compared the list of cut off
44,
mark every district,
47,
then you have
65, 76,
my argument
89 and 108.
current cut off mark.
Then you are in which matter?
Everyone. It is not my document, it is that board's document.
And my lord, I handed. Yes, we are not admission.
ওটাতে নিচে একটা দিয়ে দিও, উপরে দিয়ে দিও একটা।
এখানেও তো আমার আমি যা প্রথমে
টাইপোগ্রাফি
My lord, may I permit to mention?
What did you wanted to mention?
No, my lord, I just wanted to mention, I just handed up, nothing. And
That
regarding my lord.
My lord, may I permit to?
Regarding panel publication in page 130, my lord, the secretary board communicate to the confidential, the panel must be prepared by the S. Basura and Company. It is mentioned in, although learned advocate general plays the para A and B, but para C it is specifically categorically mentioned. That, yes, yes,
130.
that was explained. Page 130, my lord, kindly
Yes,
see.
130 we asked
Yes.
and that was explained.
130C and 130.
130C read with one.
আরে দাঁড়াও না,
মুখস্থ হয়ে গেল।
My lord, may I,
Last 4 words.
my lord, may I indeed,
4 words.
last forward and along with page number 135.
133.5. 133.5 jo. So the 130 place করলো না?
for necessary and arrangement.
135 কি আছে?
And 133.5.
Read with page number 221.
The 133, page number 133, clause 5.
133
Clause 5.
Clause 5, read with page number 221, para 26. Para 26 specifically mentioned. May I read, my lord?
Whose affidavit is this?
Page number 221, volume 1. May I read?
ওটা করতে হবে আমাদের। One single sentence cannot be cut. As regards
135 কি আছে?
33 দাদা। 35 না, 33.5 এই যে।
you have paragraph
Page number 133,
133 read with 220.
133, clause 5, page number, are read with or and two.
Unnecessarily confusing. It's 130 read with 221 paragraph 26.
Yes.
And one
Just
more.
a minute. তারপরে তরুণ জ্যোতি। Yes, now you tell us.
Now, along with that, page number 133,
Yes.
point number 5. The role of S. Basu Roy Chaudhary and Company.
ঠিক আছে।
What was it?
CBI has looked into it.
মানে এটা আমরা এক্সপেক্ট করে দিচ্ছি।
221 বলছে তাই তো? 22 কত বললো? 221 বললি?
Final.
Yes.
Yes.
Sure.
My lord, may I permit to submit one thing, my lord?